Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute baby card using the Sweet Peas stamp set, along with the Hello Irresistible online exclusive designer series paper. I do believe this is still available. If it's not, I do apologize. Okay, but before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Life is Sweet paper pumpkin kit. You have until June 10th to subscribe to get this particular kit. That's going to make 9 cards, has a shy shamrock stamping spot, and it's going to feature the new 24 to 26 in colors. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can go ahead and purchase the Thanks and Beyond dies add-on. It is a set of 4 dies, item number 164397. It is while supplies last. The cost is $12. There is a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of all of my new, used, but all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the United States. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next, we have our host code for May. This is the code I like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. Next, we have our Join special. This is going to be over very soon. It's only for the month of May 2024. So it's $99 plus tax. Shipping is free. You're going to get to choose $125 worth of product. Any product that's available, you can choose it. The starter kit is customizable. Now, for the month of May, the special is you're going to get all of these in color products for free. It's an $82 value. So you're going to get 5 classic stamping pads, 1 of each in color of the 24 to 26 in colors. You're going to get a variety pack of the 8.5 by 11 cardstock, including all the in colors for 24 to 26. The Stampin' Right markers, 1 of each color, as well as a pack of designer series paper that is featuring the 24 to 26 in colors, okay? And that is over a $200 value because you're also going to get a paper pumpkin kit as well as a business supply pack. So for $99 plus tax, you can get well over $200 worth of stuff. That is a great deal, and you don't have to sell or demonstrate or do videos. You can just get it and enjoy your discount. But that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get started. We're going to go straight into stamping. So I am going to take a piece of 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 basic white. We're going to get our Memento ink, and we are going to stamp an image onto this little square. And I'm going to put that just like that. Then I'm going to take the sentiment that says, "Welcome, Sweet Pea." We're going to stamp that in the tuxedo black right here at the top, just like that. Then we have one more thing to stamp, and we're going to stamp that on our inside. This is a piece of basic white at 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're going to stamp another cute little image on this one. I'm going to put it right down here in the corner, just like that. And that is all of our stamping done. So now we are going to do some coloring with the Stampin' Blends. I have Pretty Peacock, Granny Apple Green, and some soft seafoam. So let me get some scrap paper, and we're going to see what we can do. I'm going to color this Sweet Pea in the light, what is this? Soft seafoam. Oh no, this is the dark. I meant to get the light. Oh goodness gracious. That's okay. So now we're going to do the dark Granny Apple Green. And I'm going to just do that around the top here. Then we're going to take the light Granny Apple Green. I think I need to switch the ends. Then we're going to go back to our soft seafoam. Blend that in just a little bit more. That is our little sweet pea. Now for the shell, I'm using Pretty Peacock. I know this is not the color this would normally be, but it matches the designer series paper that we're going to be using. Now, I guess I shouldn't have did, because I want the dark to be on these pieces here. Okay, that's the inside. And let's do the same thing for the outside. So let's go ahead and color this in the light Pretty Peacock. I don't know why I just did that. I know I need to color that dark. We're going to do the dark for this portion. Just like that. Okay, then we're going to get our soft seafoam. We're going to color these little sweet peas. Let's take our dark Granny Apple, go around the tops. Let's do the light. And then we're going to go back with the soft seafoam again to blend it all in. And I didn't notice that little heart, so let me get, I'm going to use Flirty Flamingo Dark to do this little heart to welcome the little sweet pea. So that is all the coloring and everything done. So let's go ahead and put this card together. So let's start with the inside. We're going to get the multi-purpose liquid glue. I have a piece of 3.5 by 3/4 strip of the designer series paper to pop on the inside here. Okay, let's trim this down. We're going to add this to a piece of soft seafoam that is 3 3/4 by 5. And this is our inside done. And then we're going to put this inside of our base, which is thick basic white, at 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5.5. And we're just going to sit this on the inside here, just like that. Okay, and then we have a piece of basic black that is 2 3/8 by 2 3/8, and we're going to go ahead and put our main image on that. Need to get my bone folder, burnish the score line on our card base because it's not staying down. Let's go ahead and burnish that down. Okay, so now we have that. So I have another piece of basic black. This is 3 1/8 by 4 1/8, and we have some designer series paper that is 2 by 3 each, and we're going to put these on right on the basic black. Now I know it's hard to see this black on my mat, but I will show you momentarily. Okay. This is such pretty paper. I haven't used it in a long time though. Oh no. Okay, so now we have that. We're gonna take this and glue this onto our card base. Just gonna go right here in the middle of our card base, just like that. Then we're gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I will use the black since we have black cardstock here. These are the minis, but you don't have to use the minis. Okay, so I use my Take Your Pick tool to pick all the backs off of this. And we're gonna go ahead and put this right in the center of these two panels, just like this. And all we have to do now is add some bling. And for the bling, I have the Adhesive-Backed Sequence Trio. So we're gonna put some pretty peacock on here. So let's get a couple of these. I think I wanna put them here. Let's use another big one. We'll put it right here, maybe. No, I'll put it right there. Okay, that is our card done. What do you think? This is super cute. I love this stamp set. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so adorable. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.